Hello, welcome back to the TV room. I am investigating this 1526 printer, which prints, at least the test prints. It's turned off right now. It's not connected to anything right now. So let me just turn it around and have a look. Yep, it takes a serial cable, and I think, yes, I have one here. Because it's all beautiful that it prints the test pattern, but will it communicate? Oh, and can I get the cable? Excuse me. It should just go right in there. And it does. Okay. So we're in. Now, we'll take another couple of pieces of tractor paper. And we'll line it up. And we'll get it loaded. This actually was set up quite nicely. You can adjust the things on here. But this was set up just perfectly. Not too tight, not too loose. And if I crank it through, raise the bar, and we're through. Okay, so we're good for a little bit of printing. Now, what do we want to print with? Well, let's see here. Here's a VIC-20. This is the one I recently just unpacked. So, not a bad thing to give this one a try. Not that I've tried printers with much of anything else, because I haven't. Because, well, generally speaking, I don't like printers. I mean, they're great. They do what they gotta do. But I don't print much. Okay, so here is a power supply. And there's the plug. Power switch is off. The monitor is on. Now we're going to try one thing for sure. We're going to turn the printer on. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Did I pull out the power? All right. What have I done? It was fine. A moment ago. We'll try again. All right. We'll pull this out and put it on another thing. This makes no sense. I do have the right cord, right? There's only one cord here. All right. Well, oh no. What happened there? Oh, right. You unplugged the wrong cord. That's what happens. All right, I'm going to plug this in a different power bar. All right, all I've done is I put in the serial cable. And now it wakes up. All right, let's try something here. Oh, maybe. All right, I turn this on. Nothing happens. I turn on the computer. And now it wakes up. That is strange. I wonder, does it turn off when I turn the computer off? It does. Gee, I've only been doing this for 40 or more years, 45. I never knew that. Strange. Okay, well, what are we going to do? We're going to put in a little program. 10, open 4, 4. 20, for 4. I equals 1, 2. Oh, let's say 500. Now let's say 50. 30. Print, quote. Oh, yeah. World of Commodore. Space, quote, semicolon, colon, goat. No. 40. Next die. Open 4, 4. Oh, whoa. Print. Number 4, comma. And 50. Close 4. So here's the whole program. 10, open 4, 4. 20, for I equals 1 to 50. 30, print number 4. World of Commodore with a space in the end. 40, next die. 50, close. 15. Why did I say close 15? Whoa. Close 4. All right. So we'll get this lined up so the paper is feeding in nicely. And we'll say run. And indeed, that is what it did. Printed World of Commodore 50 times. So that worked. It's funny though, and I'm forgetting all the commands. I should know the commands. See, that printed the Commodore via directional printer connecting. Yeah. I forget now. See, that all printed in uppercase. If I shifted and put it in, see, if I do this, everything goes to lowercase. But I know it's not going to print that way. So there must be a way. There must be a way. Yeah. Installing the paper. Performing the head test. Open. CMD. Print number. Close command. Yep. There's all kinds of things in here. How do I print in little letters? Format control. Printing data according to numeric. Storing the formatting data. There's all kinds of things, I'm sure, that are handy. Alpha string. The A represents one position of the alpha field. There's got to be setting the number of lines per page, enabling printer diagnostic messages. Diagnostics. Yeah. Defining a programmable character. Oh, here we have something interesting. Right. What do we have here? Oh, okay. Well, there's one thing I think I have found, and I knew this, but I forgot about it. Print number 4. Comma. CHR $. 14. Quote. Oops. I missed the opening quote. Now I'm going to get the 14. And maybe I'll just do this 20 times. So what we've done here is I've added in a character string 14. And what that should do. Oh. Ha. Okay. Aha. Okay. There's more. If I want to print in uppercase and lowercase, I need to put those characters into the line. So what I have now is, it will say World of Commodore. It's going to print it wider. And, I should go up here and put in a shifted thing. So basically, the W should be big, the world should be small, the O should be big, the F should be small, and then the Commodore should be, or the C should be big, and the Commodore should be small case. It should be. But let's see. Well, some of that worked out. It did print World of Commodore larger, but then it didn't. But that's okay. It did do the uppercase, lowercase things. Well, I wonder. Well, I'm going to just change this to 1. And I'm going to say comma CHR $14. And then I'll go over here, and then I'll come back here. I wonder if I put it in twice. Oh, really? Bad subscript error in 30. Oh, I didn't put a $sign there. Oop, clear the screen. Is this going to do it? What the heck was that? Oh, I don't believe. Maybe I don't need that. What did it print? Nope. That, two of those didn't do it. But that's okay. We'll get rid of that. It should now. What happened here? You know, I think there's still stuff in the buffer, as they say. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to take run. It did nothing. Okay, but there's still going to be stuff in the buffer. Interesting. Well, we don't need that. If we're just doing it once. There, I have made 2 lines redundant. Now, I still think there's going to be stuff in the buffer, and there is. If I run it again. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to do something else. Open 4, 4, CMD 4, close 4. Will that clear the buffer? I think it did. Because now it is printing the World of Commodore bigger than it was. The main thing is that this thing is working. And it's printing and tapping. I know there are other ways to get this to print bigger. I know I have printed. Oh. Maybe I already had it. I think maybe what I had here was buffer troubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Character string 14. No, that didn't print it bigger. But on this other thing, it did. Once. It printed it wider even. Well, anyway. It's all good. It's funny because somehow, I don't know how, I managed to get it to print strangely small. No, no, not smaller, but it did it all as if it was much like I somehow changed the margins. Anyway, there's all kinds of things in here. Change the spacing between lines, suppress diagnostic messages, resetting the printer. Oh, to reset the printer, send the secondary address of 10. Oh, that's handy to know because um, that, see, in case there's anything left over, oops, 10, comma, 4, comma, 10, colon, oops, yeah, that was right, print number 10, colon, close, 10. Okay, so that should have it reset. Now down below it's enhanced characters. You can print any character double its width, while characters are normally printed in an 8x8 column matrix, row column matrix. Enhanced characters appear in 18x16 matrix. The example below shows how already enhanced characters can be further enhanced. So yeah, you do more character string 14s, and it will do it. Anyway, let's see now. Oh dear. Clear the screen. Run. Syntax error in 5. What did I do? Oh. Open 10. Print number 10. Oh, I missed characters. No wonder. Right. It resets the printer. Beautiful. But it didn't print anything. Print, I say. Why? I opened it. Okay. Go to 10. Okay. That did well. But it still, I was trying to print. Anyway. We're getting there. So, we have a 1526 printer, which will connect to a 64, a 128, a VIC 20, I would imagine, maybe a plus 4 and a Commodore 16. And it does not have a Centronics parallel interface. It does not. It just has the Commodore interface. So, and it's device 4. It used to be, on some of the other printers, there was a switch where you could make it device 3. Now, there may be a way, using some sort of device changing program, to make it something else. Because, one of the things that people used to do is they'd have one printer that printed like letters and things and invoices and stuff, and they might have another that printed labels, and they would need it to be a different device. Because believe me, it was a whole lot worse to try and run labels through and reset labels and figure out labels and diddle around with labels than to just have another printer. The other thing that people had in that circumstance is they had a switch box where they'd have two printers connected, both, I guess, device 4, and if they were going to run the label program, they would switch the switch box to go to the other printer. They would. Anyway, well, that's enough for now. I hope you have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. We'll see you again back here in the TV room. And I don't suspect I'm going to do a whole bunch more on the printer right now, but I'm glad that it's working, and I'm glad that you're here. Bye for now.